With more people planting gardens and tomatoes being a real popular plant to have in the garden, there are some care tips that you can do to kind of increase your productivity on your tomato and help them ripen a little bit. And one of those is to do some pruning on your tomato plants. So we've gone through down here and we've cut off some of these you get a lot of these little shoots that we can just cut off, because on here there's no flowers and there's not going to be any fruit. So by eliminating some of these extra foliage that's down in here, it's promoting more of the energy to go into the actual fruit production, and it also allows the lighting to get back in here so you get the sun, so you get a little bit earlier ripening. So a couple different types of tomatoes. You'll hear determinate varieties and indeterminate varieties. Determinate tomatoes are ones that will grow up to a certain size, set all their fruit at once, and come on and done. Those tend to not need to be pruned as much as an indeterminate variety. An indeterminate is one that will continue to grow, continue to flower, and continue to fruit throughout the season. So as it continues to grow and gets bigger, that's more when you'll want to do some of the pruning. So by doing a little bit of pruning on your plants to open them up, allows for more sunlight, allows the energy to go back into fruit production, and that's a good thing to do with our tomatoes.